how can one become a good investor? I think what's really important is to use the 5-year rule. And this will make you longer term focused. In 5 years, is this company going to be more relevant or less relevant than it is today? And I published a vlog last night and talked about how turnarounds don't work in tech. And, if you're looking to invest in Yahoo, it's because you think Yahoo will gain market share versus Google in 5 years. You think Yahoo will be more relevant in 5 years. I don't think so. If you invest in any company that is cheap in tech or any sector, you got to ask yourself first, is it cheap for a reason? Is this company going to be more relevant or less relevant in 5 years? So hopefully the answer is more relevant. Okay, and then what you do next is, and you can watch my vlog if you want on how to assess a management team, where I teach you in one episode how to analyze a management teams for a hedge fund investment you want to make in a publicly traded company or a private investment in venture capital. Analyze management team a lot. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to analyze the size of the market. Market's got to be huge. Don't ever invest in a company that has a tiny market share or tiny market, because even if they get 100% share of that market, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't move the needle. Okay. And then you want to build out your model as well. And I have a lot of courses that teach this sort of thing. So I have a course called the Complete Financial Analyst Training and Investing course that will teach you financials. And then I have a course also, which I recently published, called the Complete Business Plan course, which includes 50 templates. And that course will help you to create a business model, but it'll also help you to analyze a business model from scratch. And even with my Complete Cryptocurrency course, I created a 49-step process to analyze any cryptocurrency company or any company in general. And I never like to tell you what to buy stock-wise. I always want you to do your own research. And I feel like my role is to teach you how to fish instead of giving you a fish, if that makes sense.